Hey guys, today let's try to find deleted messages on Messenger. So if you guys would like to go ahead and locate where your deleted messages are on the Messenger application, all we need to do first is to launch the Messenger application. And once we're here, let's tap on the settings gear icon. And I want you to go on over your account center. So over here on your Meta account center, see more in account center, and you should see this section. Once you're here, I want you to tap on your information and permissions, and you can now tap on this option to download your information. Once you tap on that, you will have a download of all of your information, including your messages. You just tap on download or transfer information of your Facebook account and then tap on next. And then of course, tap on all of the available information that you could see. Download to device and then tap on next. You can also choose a date range of a specific date of what specific messages that you'd like to go ahead and see. But essentially, once you're happy, just tap on create files and it will send you a file that you were able to download and also view those messages that you have sent before. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.